Welcome to Safety Standard. I'm your local neighborhood safety professional, bringing practical, real-world safety knowledge directly to you. A simple mistake with a fire extinguisher could actually make a fire worse. Most people have one sitting somewhere in their home or workplace, but very few know how to use it correctly. When a fire breaks out, you won't have time to read the instructions. You'll only have seconds to react. In the next few minutes, you'll learn exactly which extinguisher to use, when you should never use one, and the simple, four-step method firefighters teach that could save your life. Before you ever grab a fire extinguisher, you need to know what you're fighting. Not every fire is the same, and using the wrong extinguisher can spread the fire or even create a dangerous explosion. There are 5 classes of fire. Class A involves ordinary materials like wood, paper, cardboard, cloth, and many plastics. Class B includes flammable liquids such as gasoline, diesel fuel, paint, solvents, and oil. Class C involves energized electrical equipment like power tools, appliances, electrical panels, and wiring. Class D fires involve combustible metals such as magnesium, titanium, or sodium. These are most often found in specialized industrial settings. Class K fires involve cooking oils and grease, typically in commercial kitchens where extremely high cooking temperatures are common. The good news is that most homes, offices, and small businesses use ABC fire extinguishers. These are designed for the most common fire hazards, classes A, B, and C. Before using any extinguisher, take one quick look at the label. Those few seconds could prevent you from making the situation much worse. Now let's talk about what you came here to learn. Firefighters around the world teach one simple memory tool for operating a fire extinguisher. PASS. 4 letters, 4 simple actions. And in an emergency, remembering these 4 steps can make all the difference. The P stands for pull. Pull the safety pin straight out of the handle. This breaks the tamper seal and unlocks the extinguisher. It sounds simple, but in a stressful situation, people often forget this first step. Without removing the pin, the extinguisher won't work. The A stands for aim. Point the nozzle at the base of the fire, not at the flames. This is one of the biggest mistakes people make. The flames are only the visible result of the fire. The fuel source at the base is what's actually burning. That's where your extinguishing agent needs to go. The first S stands for squeeze. Slowly squeeze the handles together to release the extinguishing agent. Don't panic and empty the extinguisher all at once. Use steady, controlled pressure so you have enough extinguishing agent to completely knock down the fire. The second S stands for sweep. Move the nozzle slowly from side to side across the base of the fire. Continue sweeping until every visible flame is gone. Then, keep watching. Even after the flames disappear, heat can remain, and some fires can reignite within seconds. Now here's the part that many people never hear. Sometimes the safest decision is to never use the extinguisher at all. If the fire is larger than a small trash can, if it's spreading quickly, if thick smoke is filling the room, or if the fire blocks your escape route, leave immediately. Close doors behind you if it's safe to do so. Get everyone out and call emergency services. Remember this, a fire extinguisher is designed for small, early-stage fires, not fully involved fires. No building or piece of equipment is worth risking your life. Whenever you use a fire extinguisher, always keep your exit behind you. Never allow the fire to get between you and your escape route. If the fire grows instead of shrinks, if smoke makes it difficult to breathe, or if the extinguisher runs out before the fire is out, stop fighting the fire and evacuate immediately. A fire extinguisher can't protect you if it isn't ready to work. Check the pressure gauge regularly. The needle should stay in the green zone. Inspect the safety pin, tamper seal, hose, and cylinder for damage. If anything looks wrong, have it serviced or replace it immediately. Store your extinguisher somewhere visible and easy to reach, but never so close to a likely fire source that you would have to reach through flames to access it. Here's one final tip that can make all the difference. Practice before you ever need it. Many local fire departments and workplace safety programs offer live fire extinguisher training. Even practicing with an expired extinguisher in a safe training environment helps build muscle memory that can keep you calm during a real emergency. Confidence doesn't come from owning a fire extinguisher. Confidence comes from knowing exactly how to use it. Let's review one more time. Pull, aim, squeeze, sweep, pass. 4 simple steps, 1 life-saving skill. If you learned something new today, click the like button so more people can find this video. Subscribe to Safety Standard for practical safety training.